Di pumirma sa impeachment ni Bibi Sara.
Ito yan, di ba? I did not really sign. Totoo yan. Because, forgive me if I read the signals wrong. I just followed what the pronouncements of the President, that it is a waste of time at walang idudulot na maganda sa taong bayan. That is why I did not sign. Now, if I read the signals wrong, my apologies. And I'll face the consequences if ever there are.
Di ba nakita sir, prosper nga ka dito?
I really do not know.
So, musta na po ang North Quadrangle?
Mabuti naman. Namimili na kami kung sino yung papalit. Nakapili na kami na kung sino yung papalit sa akin. Kung ayaw nila sa akin. But, siyempre, it is the committees sa House, mga parties, leadership, kung sino yung uupo, yung speaker. Kung alin mga, yun ang ibibigay nila. Like, itong 2022, yung North Luzon Growth Quadrangle, of course, was given to a member of the Nationalista Party. And they chose me. I think the prospect now is siyempre magpapalitan kung may-maintain nila ako if ever na sa NP pa rin ang NLGQ. I think it's going to Congressman Maxi Dalog, who is the chairman of electoral reforms now, ang katuwang ni Senator Amy sa Senado.
Thanks for watching. God bless. Thank you.